such a smooth talker. Words drip out her mouth and turn to white gold. She's like the cold water, you feel it down in your bones. She'll turn you white.
All right. I am back to do another video with you. So I'm going to do a mermaid faux leather bow, but I'm going to be doing it in red, white, and blue. I have my embroidery machine already hooped up with stabilizer. I've already got my thread in. I've got my design pulled up on my machine, and I've even went so far as to pre-cut my faux leather. So here's the tail for one. I laid it out and then just cut out the sizes that I would need for each individual piece. I am a huge saver when it comes to saving scraps and bits and pieces, so to keep myself from doing that, if I can just pre-cut it ahead of time so that when I trim it, the pieces are so small I'm not going to want to keep them, then I will throw them away. So I guess that is a crafter's hoarding tip number one. If you can, pre-cut your fabric or your leather before you embroider it so that when you trim it out, the pieces are so small you won't want to keep them. All right. So I have been posting all over Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I posted my first YouTube video, and I'm working on building a brand. And one way of doing that is stepping outside the box and just going for it. So I am learning all about YouTube. All right, so we're going to do the placement stitch on this. I'll bring you in so you can see that part. So while that's going to finish up, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to assemble the mermaid bows. So you're going to take this one first, and this one's going to get folded over into the middle, just like that, and glued down. Alright, so back to what we were doing. You're just going to fold these in, but you're going to want to take your hot glue, put it right here in the middle. Nice good heap of it. Then you're going to fold this one in, and you're going to fold this one in just like this. Now you can clip it if you want and wait for it to set, or you can go ahead and you just add it to the tail. So now you're going to put it on the tail. You're going to want to make sure that it sits up high, and you're going to want to make sure that it's centered. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to put a big glop of hot glue on this side, and then I'm going to center my bow nice and high and make sure that it is even. And then you're just going to take this little guy and give him a shot of hot glue down the whole thing there. Alright, so what we do with this is we just lay it on here like this, give it a flip over, through, lay it down, and lay it down. Now, if it doesn't seem like it's going to fit, don't worry. You can get it to fit. Just use a little bit more glue, be a little bit more patient, wait for it to set up. All right, that looks really good. Look at that, isn't that so cute? So I think what I would suggest after doing this one like this is that the next one, make sure you cut a little extra on the folding strap, because we are going to put a clip on this. And I do have some up here. I'm gonna use alligator clips on these. And I do not put my clips underneath. I put them right on top. Just like that. So what I'll do is I'll come through and I'll put a nice good set of hot glue. I'll center this and then press it in. And then it just needs to sit for a while. And again, I do apologize for the loud noises today. As I started to say earlier, my husband is in the garage and he is working on a guitar order that he has. He does custom guitars. He works a full-time job and he does custom guitars. All right, so I put my glue down. I'm going to tuck these little guys in here like this. Perfect, so cute. Now I'm going to put some more glue right here. And I'm going to put it on the tail. So I kind of eyeball mine here. Oh my gosh, you guys. That is so cute. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on it right here. And then we're going to fold it up. We're going to put some glue in here. I really have to work on my camera angles, so please be patient with me. I'll get there. All right, so let's add a clip to this. Don't get overzealous. Make sure you give it just a second to set. And we are going to put a nice amount of glue on this. Hold it up here and press. Now I put enough glue on there so that when I press it, it oozes along the sides and it really adheres it down. So here we go, folks. Red, white, and blue. You've got the stars and stripes. You've got it's just gorgeous, and it's going to be so cute for the 4th of July. So I hope my customer really enjoys this, and be getting it wrapped up and sent out soon. Before I do, though, I think I might take a few pictures and post it in my Etsy shop, because I might have to go make another one. All right, guys, this is Sherry, and I am signing off for today. Remember, please give this video a thumbs up. Hit the notifications so that you know the next time I'm going to post a tutorial video. And if you could hit subscribe, that would really help me build my brand, because that's what I'm trying to do. Thanks.
She's such a smooth talker. Words drip out her mouth and turn to white gold. She's like the cold water. You feel it down in your bones.